What is going on, YouTube? I am here at the canal and I'm going to be throwing a wacky rig to hopefully catch some big bass. I've been seeing people on YouTube catch some crazy bass with the wacky rig, so I was like, you know what, why not? I should give it a shot. So yeah, let's get fishing. Let's get right into it. Also, if you like fishing content, consider subscribing. You know, like the video, help a brother out. Y'all, this right here is what a wacky rig looks like. It's pretty much just a Senko or a soft plastic stick bait, as you can see, with some sort of hook. Some people use, you know, extra wide gap worm hooks. I think they don't work as well as these little octopus hooks, and you just tie it on like that. Some people put a bullet weight on. I've caught fish, you know, putting weights on these wacky rigs, but I like to do it weightless. And what you're going to do is you're going to cast it out there, let it sink a little bit, and then you're going to twitch it a little bit. And I'll show you that here in a second. But this is pretty much how you rig it. And of course, you can use these wacky rig saddles, that little black thing right there, or you can just, you know, take the hook right through the worm. But this is how you rig a wacky rig. Alrighty, so I'm here at the canal. I'll show y'all how to get it done, how to use it, and hopefully we will catch some fish, but I don't know. I don't know how the bite is right now. We will see. So you're gonna cast it out there, and I like to wait a little bit. I'm not gonna wait too long because there's a lot of grass on the bottom, and then I'm just gonna wait a little bit, twitch, twitch, wait a little bit, twitch, twitch. And this is just one way you can fish it. Twitch, twitch, wait a little bit, twitch, twitch. Again, I'm using it weightless. If you have a weight on it, you should twitch a little bit faster because it's going to be sinking a lot more. And I'm twitching still. I'm still twitching pretty fast than I would normal. And again, that's because there's a lot of grass and scum, and I don't want to get it all nasty. The wacky rig. So that is just one way. You know, a little twitch method. And now I'm going to show you all the next way, which is you're going to cast it out there. So you cast it out there and you let it sink. You know, I'm going to wait probably about 5 seconds. And then I'm just going to do a slow, straight retrieve, just like this. Super slow, just like this. My little sister actually catches bass doing it this way. Just a slow retrieve. And a lot of times they'll see, you know, that stick bait going through the water, and those bass will come up and just slam it, just annihilate it. So definitely an easy bait to use. You know, it's relatively cheap. Overall, it's just a great bait to use. You know, and when you do a straight retrieve, it's going to come, you know, towards the surface, which is, you know, the only issue with that. The next way I like to use it is kind of a combination of both now. So I'm going to let it sink just a little bit, and I'm going to twitch while reeling it in. And it gives it a little bit more action. Sometimes I'll let it sink, and I go back to reeling in and slowly twitching it. And it gives it a little more action, and it's kind of the best of both worlds. So just try these different methods and let me know in the comments which way you use the wacky rig. But hopefully we will catch some fish here soon. Also, when using a weightless wacky rig, it's probably going to be a lot easier to use it on a spinning reel. On the wacky rig. Nice fish too. I told y'all. Bass love the wacky rig. Nice one too. Choked it. Look at that, guys. Nice fish right there. Alrighty, there goes the bass. There he goes. Also, the worm I caught that on, my grandpa made, and he has his own bait company, so if you want baits, let me know in the comments. That was a nice fish. Hopefully we can catch another one. We will see. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you learned how to use a wacky rig. Let me know in the comments if there's any sort of other type of, rig or bait you want to learn how to use. And I hope you found the video helpful, and have a good one.